Arrive in style with this Kia 2019 Forte EX. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: 147 horsepower, 2-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, Bluetooth and climate controlled, driver and passenger heated cushion, driver and passenger heated seat back. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.